you got your first lottery campaign set up. This is super exciting. That's awesome. Now, what you do next is you forget about it for 14 days. Look, not much is going to happen over the first week because the bids are 6 cents. So it's going to take a while for this thing to get going. After 2 weeks, you're probably going to start to see a bit more questions and things will start having some clicks. But it's probably going to be a month and a half, 6 to 8 weeks before you really start seeing anything happen. So this is something, it's a slow game. You got to be patient with it. But how does this work out for you? You can see these are all the lottery campaigns that I'm running. And this is over the lifetime. And so these are probably about a year. Actually, I can probably tell you how old they are. So like October of last year, March of last year, December, right? And you can see the ACOS for these. Like, so this is 4.3 million impressions, 21,000 clicks, right? Total cost is $3,700, but it's brought in almost $18,000 in sales at a cost of less than $4,000. So that's a 21% ACOS. So like I said, that's like the max ACOS that I would want to have here. This one's running a little high as well at 24%, but that's okay. 9% here. That's way better. What's this 35? I think that one was Italy that I just completely purged a whole bunch of books on. This one's at 22%. And then, this one's not bad. 18% ACOS.